Ahead of its world premiere before the end of the year, Lamborghini Squadra Corse's new track-only hypercar carried out its first engine fire-up in the Lamborghini factory this week. The 6.5-liter V12 naturally aspirated engine, which will produce 830 horsepower, will be part of a limited edition model developed by the company. Squadra Corse's hypercar features which differ from the regular road car range. The car features a large rear wing, air scoop on the roof, and a racing hood with dual air intakes. With an aluminum front frame and a carbon fiber monocoque, the hypercar has been designed to be one of the highest safety standards, while an innovative self-locking type differential which allows better drivability on the circuit.